Meta Island of Sordor Part 2 with Edward. Look at Edward go. He is having a nice time on the island of Sordor. He will go up. Go, Edward, go. Go, Edward, go. Go, Edward, go. Oh, go, Edward, go. Yeah, go, Edward, go. Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah. Go slow, go slow. Oh, yeah. Go, Edward, go. Yeah!
What happened, Edward? Edward stopped. She was fast. And he went him up. Oh, he was going to fall.
He's flying.
Yay! Oh, no. He's going to bump his head. Oh, nice neck.
TJ, make him fall on his wheels, then go down there. He is about to go down the slide of fun.
And now he's about to go somewhere else. Since he had a lot of trouble over there, he's gonna go somewhere else. He didn't know what to do.
Next time he's gonna get stuck in here.
He didn't know where to go. So he just went off the track.
He needed to go to the repairments.
And he's gonna be stuck. Oh no! He's coming up down.
Bang, bang, bang. Help, bang, 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 bang.
Now
Goodbye. He got 20 points.